Earlier today, January 13th, 2026, Delta Airlines announced its long-anticipated order of 30 Boeing 787-10 widebody aircraft. With the order, the airline also announced the option for 30 additional aircraft. Delta currently is the only airline out of the US Big Three that does not currently operate any variant of the Dreamliner. Deliveries are expected to start in 2031. Delta plans to use the Boeing 787 to replace and upsize older aircraft on its high-demand Transatlantic and South American flights. Although no official layout has been announced for the cabin at this time, the airline states that the 787-10 will feature more premium seats, which will include the Delta One suites. Unlike Delta's newer Airbus widebody fleet, which feature the Rolls Royce Trent 7000 on the A330neo, and the Rolls Royce Trent XWB on the A350, the airline has opted for the GEnx engines instead of the Rolls Royce Trent 1000. The GEnx engine design, mixed with the Boeing 787, give the aircraft a 25% better fuel efficiency per seat than the older widebody aircraft that it will replace. With its 15-foot longer fuselage than the A330-900, the 787-10 has less of a range at 6,300 nautical miles compared to the A330neo's 7,300 nautical miles. However, the 787 makes up for its lack of range in its cargo capacity with its ability to hold 40 LD3 cans, 7 more than the A330-900 and 4 more than the A350-900. The airline opted for the larger cabin of the 787-10 over the range of the 787-9 since the airline currently has 20 Airbus A350-1000 aircraft on order to help with some of the routes such as South Africa, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand, where the range often makes the flight payload optimized. Deliveries of the A350-1000 are expected to begin this year.